Hi-ya! Enjoy the comfort of a soothing foot spa anywhere with this smart wearable foot massager. Or what about this astonishing cyberage sound innovation that aims to bring you a unique listening audio experience in everyday daily life? Well, stick around because we have a lot of interesting picks for you today. All the links to the products are in the description below, and make sure you subscribe. ProBASE HD USB-C aluminum monitor stand by MonitorMate. Upgrade your setup with the ProBASE USB aluminum monitor stand. Totally sleek and minimalist, this stand has everything you need right at your fingertips. The ProBASE uses aluminum to offer a durable platform to securely hold your monitor. In addition, it can also work as a laptop stand. However, there's so much more to it. The ProBASE is complete with a USB Type-C port as well as a 4K HDMI output, and it also has USB ports. This design lets you cut the clutter by keeping your cables out of sight. In line with the tidy design, the bottom of the ProBASE offers additional storage to stash away your keyboard or laptop when they're not in use. Withings Pulse HR Health and Fitness Tracker. Make more out of life with the Withings Pulse HR Health and Fitness Tracker. This advanced activity monitor allows you to keep track of your workouts and daily activity. In addition, Pulse HR includes a continuous heart rate, enabling you to take advantage of your workouts. It also comes with a connected GPS and automatic sleep tracking. Moreover, Pulse HR provides smartphone notifications that you can customize to your liking. Made from 316L stainless steel, the case can easily withstand daily wear and tear. Featuring a minimalist style, the tracker also provides a reinforced polycarbonate surface coating to protect your device at all times. Furthermore, Pulse HR offers an impressive battery life of up to 20 days, so you always have to worry about charging it. VAVA Smart Dashcam. Relive your favorite moments in the car with the VAVA Smart Dashcam. Featuring crystal clear 1080p 60 frames per second HD video, the VAVA Smart Dashcam is suitable for both day and night use. It comes with a swivel 360 design so you can capture footage in all directions, including the inside of your car. Additionally, the dashcam provides a built-in microphone that can easily record your car chats or carpool karaoke sessions. It also offers a Wi-Fi channel and mobile app so you can conveniently transfer recordings and pictures to your smartphone. Likewise, you can quickly share your road trips via social media or get more out of the dashcam using the app. Furthermore, the VAVA Smart Dashcam includes a built-in GPS tracker so you can record your location, route, and speed. Finally, the Snapshot remote quickly captures shots or short videos. VIZIO V-Series Soundbar. Get seriously awesome surround sound with the VIZIO V-Series Soundbar. Boasting Dolby Audio and DTS Digital Surround, this 3D soundbar collection, 2.1 and 5.1, produces room-filling surround sound without the need for bulky speakers. In fact, the 5.1 model comes with up to 6 built-in speakers and 2 woofers to deliver an immersive audio experience. The VIZIO V-Series soundbar also features Google Assistant for hands-free control of your smart home devices and effortless control. You can even use your voice to play music, turn up the thermostat, or find answers to questions. Furthermore, it offers Chromecast built in, so you can stream music from thousands of apps using just your voice. Finally, with a low profile that can mount directly to your wall, this series offers a space-saving design. TOUCHBeauty HALO Collagen Booster Firms and Lifts. Make your skin firmer with the TOUCHBeauty HALO Collagen Booster, a gadget that increases the production of collagen and elastin. It shapes your facial contours. You'll feel younger and more refreshed as it reduces wrinkles and fine lines while lifting your face. Furthermore, this beauty device increases your skin's elasticity in just a few easy steps. HALO gives the skin professional-grade 8-minute treatments to boost collagen, reduce smile lines, and smooth eye wrinkles. Your skin will be more elastic in just 28 days, and after 42 days, your skin will be tighter and firmer. Simply turn it on and select the mode and intensity level you prefer. Then just add gel or essence to the electrode poles and apply the treatment surface to your skin. Finally, move it in circular or upward motions. Using 4 different technologies, it rejuvenates your skin through radio frequency, RF, microcurrent, red light therapy, and infrared light. The RF gently warms your skin to increase collagen and elastin, and the microcurrent improves facial contours and reduces fine lines. Finally, the red and infrared lights target wrinkles. This combination provides you with a younger-looking complexion. Star Trek TNG Bluetooth ComBadge. Experience the future with the Star Trek TNG Bluetooth ComBadge from ThinkGeek. With the ability to answer your calls with a simple go, this device provides you with hands-free chats wherever you are. Officially licensed, the ComBadge even plays the iconic communicator chirp sound effect when it's pressed. The device is able to seamlessly connect to your smartphone or tablet with Bluetooth, while the high-quality microspeakers, made by Massive Audio, give you crystal clear sound every time. The ComBadge can be easily touched to answer and end calls, play and pause your music, as well as access voice commands through Siri, Google Now, and Cortana. Perfect for the ultimate Star Trek fan, the ComBadge is as close to the USS Enterprise as you can get. Vaultskin Chelsea Slim Leather Wallet. Add some fresh style to your everyday carry with the Vaultskin Chelsea Slim Leather Wallet. Super slim and discreet, this wallet slides into your pocket without giving you extra bulk. Available in brown and black, the Chelsea wallet features luxuriously rich leather. In addition, it has a high capacity with the ability to hold up to 10 cards at once. To access these, the Chelsea wallet is complete with a pull tab for easy access. Even with this high capacity, the wallet remains slim and accessible. Additionally, the Chelsea wallet offers RFID protection. This electromagnetic shield helps to keep your cards and information safe and sound. Finally, the combination of fine materials and perfected efficiency make the Chelsea wallet a must-have. Pictar Pro Smartphone DSLR Grip. Turn your smartphone into a DSLR with the Pictar Pro Smartphone DSLR Grip. Offering a premium feel, this smartphone device makes your smartphone feel like a real DSLR camera. Pictar Pro gives you enhanced control and advanced features to fine-tune your images to perfection. With a non-slip shark skin grip, it also works as a tripod and even has a foldable silicone viewfinder. The exterior is complete with familiar buttons and controls such as the shutter, zoom, and even exposure. Compatible with most all smartphones, Pictar Pro lets you adjust shutter speed, ISO, focus, white balance, and more. Shield ElectroClave UV-C Sanitation System. Clean your gadgets completely with the Shield ElectroClave UV-C Sanitation System. Providing 360-degree UVC sanitation and mobile device management, this gadget has a patented design that works with multiple devices at once. Without mirrors or reflective surfaces, the ElectroClave uses LEDs to create shadowless, dust-free bays. The ElectroClave offers a simple solution. The unit is safely and conveniently opened via non-touch access with NFC employee badges. Mobile devices are placed on a tray, the unit is closed, and the ultra-sanitizing power of UVC light is used to disinfect all sides of the devices for proper sanitation, with no damage to the surface or functionality of your electronics. The process can be customized for optimal microorganism reduction or shorter cycles tailored to your workflow. Not only that, but this UVC sanitation system also boasts 0% material degradation of exterior materials and internal electronics. Use it to sanitize your smartphone as well as other high-touch items and handheld equipment. Muzen Cybershell. 3-band balanced vocal effect allows harmonic treble and amplified basses, focuses on rock music, and offers you the ultimate listening experience. Highlights the vocal hierarchy and rhythm of rap music. This Bluetooth speaker takes all genres of music to the next level. You'll be able to fill the room with distortion-free sound, even when cranked to maximum volume. The upgraded Cybershell Bluetooth speaker keeps on kicking even when wet. Waterproof means you can bring it everywhere. If you want to use the Cybershell as a home speaker, we strongly recommend that you purchase a dedicated stand. The base keeps the speaker charged and ready to play anytime. Zimmo Free Foot. In the United States alone, 87% of people experience pain in their feet at some point in their lives. Are you one of the people who struggle with foot pain, stiffness, or aching? Meet Zimmo FreeFoot. This is a smart wearable foot massager that will help you and your feet relax when they're sore and you feel tired after a long and busy day. Unlike other conventional foot massagers, Zimmo lets you slide your feet into it as if you were wearing shoes, providing a sense of comfort that is quickly enhanced by the actual massage you'll be enjoying before you know it. Zimmo FreeFoot can provide you with a full foot coverage massage.